In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download an app on your Chrome extension and on your phone that will allow you to search retail and online deals and tell you exactly to the penny how much profit each and every deal you find will make you. But that's not the best bit. The best bit is this app will also give you free deals. Welcome back to Deal Hunters again. Today's video, we're going to have a look at an app for beginners, especially for the best valued scanner software that is out there in today's market. We're going to have a look at this. We're going to get it installed. We're going to show you exactly how to do it. And better yet, we're going to show you a feature that most people just seem to ignore or forget about. This is a feature that will give you free deals. It's fantastic for a beginner, and we're going to start off by looking straight at how do you get this. Well, first thing you're going to do is go to PROFITL. This is their website. They offer a 7-day money-back guarantee. Any company that offers a guarantee, that speaks volumes. That says this company is proud of their product and you're going to be happy, and once you sign up, you will never leave them. 7-day money-back guarantee. You can cancel any time. There's a browser extension, which is what we're going to show you straight away. You need this. Go to Chrome Web Store, get the app, add to Chrome, add extension. And just like that, you will have this symbol. That is it. Done. 2 clicks, you have the software installed on your browser to allow you to scan. What I also like about the software is that it gives you plenty of tutorials, plenty of help, guidance. It'll give you a free Discord group, as you can see. You can go in here, they give away free money. Look at this, first place, just for being active, just for asking beginner questions, for learning, you will get paid. Earn to learn is a fantastic thing. Trust me, £75, £50, 25, 20, 15. That is a lot of money this company is giving out for free for just messaging, just learning. There's plenty in here. They've even got a deal of the day. This is where they will pick a deal every single day that is hot. Look at this one, for example, profit 225, return on investment 50%. Say you wanted this Ravel CD, you can see here the price is $14.99, and here is your ASIN. Automatically does this. You don't have to type it in, don't have to do anything. It tells you all the information. But let's say you can get this for talk's sake at £5. You put £5 in here and you hit calculate, and within seconds, this automatically goes through and says if it's a good buy, and it'll tell you why it's a good buy. Great for beginners to understand exactly what you're looking for. It tells you all the key things and what makes it a good buy. It'll tell you the average monthly revenue, the monthly sales. It's always an estimate. As we've talked about in other videos, there's no way of accurately knowing how many units this will sell. It's all different data pulled in, and we find PROFITL to do this range really gives you a better steer than just saying one sum. Return on investment, 102%, and there is your profit. And there's plenty of other buttons. This isn't the video for going through the details. The purpose of this video is to show you how instantly you can get this app set up and start finding profitable deals today. If you actually log in then to your desktop, which is again all part of the package, there is a package where you can get Deal Finder Portal. And this is what we really want to talk about. This is where they find as many profitable deals as possible, and then they give you all this information. This is all the details. You can click this link, it'll bring you directly to the website. You click this link, it'll bring you straight to Amazon, so you can do your proper due diligence. And again, disclaimer, no deal is perfect. Things change, sell out, all different things. You still have to do your due diligence, but for quick ease, you can hit this, scan. And what this will do then is go through and actually give you the information. This allows you just to quickly scan, see, and then you can do your due diligence. You can hit scan here and do it a bit quicker if you want, but I always recommend going in and actually doing the checks yourself. But the reason being, you need to make sure the descriptions matches, could be dangerous goods. You just don't know. So you're always better to always go in. These things will only guide you so far, but then that's where the app comes in to give you the further information. So let's look at this, 10.95, L'Oreal True Match, number 8, Cappuccino. And then if we click the Amazon link, number 8, Cappuccino. So if we put in the price, then we know we can get this in Asda for $10.95, $10.95, and then all you do is hit enter or you hit calculate, whatever is easier for you. And it's saying goodbye at 57. And what's good about it? Well, we scroll down here, you can see 52% return on investment, profit 573. And the good thing about Asda is you can go in, clear a shelf out, or you can usually buy a large amount of quantity on their online website. So that gives you an idea of the kind of profit you could be making. And you can just scroll up and down. You can hit favorite if you go, yeah, I like that. And maybe you just want to do it at a high level, you go up to here, you can choose all suppliers. Maybe you just want to do Argos, maybe you just want to do Asda trip, you just want to go in and clear the shelf out. Maybe you're only interested in grocery products. You can edit and filter all of these things. So let's just look at boots, for example. Here's all the boots deals. As simple as that. This gets updated regularly, so it's not the same deals over and over again. Let's see this Nivea cream. You can see here, anti-age men's Nivea cream. We go to this then, and don't forget, use all your top cash back as always. This is another feature that you can do if you're, say, looking on Boots website and you don't want to have the profitable deal finder and you just want to be looking manually yourself. Go through. This will automatically, this is your normal page, tracking page, but if you go to search, this will automatically scan all this writing, all these images, and try to find you a similar product. And to me, this one looks similar. Then you can do the usual. Open it up on Amazon and have a look and see. But let's just look at the exact one the Profitl is showing us. So we can see here, anti-age, it's, what size is it? 50 mil. We go back to this. 50 mil, anti-age. That looks like the right one. So what are we getting here? There must be some sort of deal. Better than half price on selected men's gifts, online only. You're getting this for $4.91. We go back to this. We type in, well, you can already tell, guys. Already tell the Profitl has been able to find a cracking deal here. $4.91 a unit. We scan it. What's it saying? It says poor buy. It's giving you 102% profit of fiver, 102% load of sales. But what is it saying poor buy for? So you see here, hazmat potential and the average price. We treat anything above. So it's actually saying to you, be careful with this one. The average price is above. And then you go down to this little thing. You can see here, what's the FBA price? £15 in the last 30 days. Normally it's around $12.32, $12.30. So you can see $12.40. These are probably more realistic, the price. So what you could do is just go, just to cover your bases, go, okay, well, if we put this down to $12.40, you can see it brings it down to 57% return on investment, £2.80. So although this says poor buy, it's using all the AI metrics to say this is a bad buy. But if you actually go into it, we'll understand why it's a bad buy. It's a bad buy because it's overpriced right now. But if I strip that down, this will become a good buy because that risk that is there is no longer there. You've adjusted it and it's still 57% and £2.80 profit. That is a great deal. And the best part is if you actually go down and scroll down our descriptions, you will see save on Profitl. You will get 20% off all monthly plans. This is one of the best valued scanners out there. I dare you to go and find a cheaper one at £30 per month, and you're going to get a further 20% off that. That is £6 further off. So you're getting a whole scanner for £24. There is also 5% off yearly plans. But again, if you're a beginner, you want to test the water, you have your 7-day free trial, you're getting it for 20% off. Go with that. And then once you've done that and you started growing your Amazon business and you know this is for you, it makes perfect sense then to get further discount by going with DH365 to get 5% off at an already heavily discounted price for the yearly plan. So that is the video. I just wanted to do it because I think a lot of people are asking, how do you start off as Amazon FBA? And there's so many places to go. We always recommend Profitl, especially for beginners, because of the Discord, the support group. You can get free money, which will pay for your subscription, as we showed at the start of the video. You will get help with being able to find profitable deals, and you're getting your scanning, which is absolutely essential software that you need. I'm convinced that if you sign up to these guys, you'll stay with them for the long term. And that is the beautiful thing. You've got a 7-day free trial, so you have nothing to lose. Sign up with the links down below. We'll catch you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, help us grow the channel. And don't forget, if you're interested in the whole wholesale side of things, Profitl will also help you do a wholesale scanner, all of which is covered in our wholesale course, which is currently being recorded. We have launched it, but while the videos are being recorded, we are going to be giving you 40% off. Check out the wholesale course now and you can start your Amazon FBA business with no experience, or even if you're the most experienced and you're looking to move to wholesale, this is the course for you. Check it all out down below and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.